Hey guys! So today we're going to be opening this package I got.
Hi guys.
It's supposed to be slime, so I'll see. I'll see. So let's get to opening this, and it says fun. So I don't know if this is hard or anything. So let's get to opening it. Okay.
You
So
just ripped off the fun signs.
I'm going to open this and see. Okay. I'm pretty sure they were mad. Okay, so we're gonna go with this.
Guys, don't judge us on this video because I just figured out how to edit on my phone, my new phone,
Okay, so
iPhone 7. Yeah.
plus. And me too.
Yeah, we both have one now.
JK!
Yeah, just kidding. We have an iPhone 6s Plus.
Okay, so I'm opening this wrapping.
Please subscribe and like if you're new.
Oh my god. There's like 1,000 layers.
Stupid.
Oh my god.
It's your fault, you know. Oh, here it is.
So here it is in
It's
here.
in this cup.
So let's open this
She was gonna sell it, but
Ziploc bag.
apparently we're doing this for YouTube because can't sell it now. So open.
Okay, so I'm a.
Are you gonna show your face or not?
Ready? Oh. Gang. Okay, I'm back. So look at this. It's like, I don't know what to say.
Ah,
Look, it looks like a cup. It looks like the
Wait,
cup.
it's not even slimy or anything.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and guys, I'm pretty sure this one is mixed with kinetic sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, we mixed this with kinetic sand. We didn't. We did. Yeah, we did. We made this with kinetic sand, guys.
Yeah. So I was going.
Yeah. Oh, and we have these beads in it.
So yeah, I was going. I'm just.
Wait, I gotta
so
show the
I did it
camera.
for you. Those are called fishbowl beads.
Yeah, fishbowl beads.
So
didn't know that.
I mixed like 5 slimes
I'm not a
in
slime
here.
expert. Yes, I am.
Ooh. Oh, I don't think it's
Oh, a bubble. You should probably try and make a bubble.
okay. So
Okay.
as you realize, I do not have my Apple Watch on because it is charging,
Yeah.
also known as dead.
Here's my Apple Watch. Mine
I
is
have
not
the
on.
same thing, so you know. Look at that swirl.
Okay, I'm back,
Okay,
guys.
so it's not that pokey. You know, it's not that pokey at all. Well, it was in here for like the longest time ever. So. Well, I made it like 2 days after Christmas, which was this week, and it's Saturday night.
Yeah.
Water.
Only 2 more days of winter break.
So guys, I'm gonna pause it right here because I'm going to get a drink of water. So I'm back. So I just got my water.
I got orange
and
soda real
guess
quick.
what? So
In my cup. I'm wearing these covers because I
since
don't
those people do this on YouTube,
want to put on clothes right
so
now.
you put the straw in the slime, like right here, and then you blow it, and it makes a bubble. But this slime's too thick. Hello.
Oh, you got to put it.
This is your straw.
I don't.
You can have that straw.
She doesn't like sharing that. Oh. I mean it when I say that.
So, okay, so I'm gonna try and do the less hard thing, thick and slime.
What the? It just.
Okay, so let's put the slime
Bruh.
away and get that other one.
Okay.
So
Well,
yeah,
we're
Let's
gonna
put this
be right
one
back
away.
and put this. Yeah, we're gonna get the other one, and so we could just blow bubbles the
Yeah.
easy way, easier. That's a
So,
few
yeah,
easies.
so-
But yeah, we'll be right
here's the
back.
sign I was talking about. This sign,
Mhm.
it's really small, and I just got it on me. It's so annoying.
Yeah, she's clumsy. I'm perfectly not clumsy at all.
Okay, so I
am
didn't
kind
see
of
it there.
sometimes.
Because it's so small. Okay, so yeah, that's how it pokes. And it's really stretchy. So, we're going to blow it.
No, my hand.
So, we're going to blow it. Where the heck did my straw go? Did I throw it out on by accident?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, I'm
It was
gonna use
yellow, right?
this.
Okay, I guess you have to. And then you're gonna use it on the other side.
Yep.
She really doesn't like it's. She just doesn't like.
Oh. So there we go. There's one big bubble. I'm gonna try it again.
Off camera, she doesn't do big bubbles. On camera, she does big bubbles.
Get it, got it good, okay? There.
Beginner's luck.
Oh, shoot.
You should put TP. Is this the big bubbles you're talking about earlier?
Yeah. Oh, and here is a car I want to show you. I got on a McDonald's Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Yo, when I got it, I was like,
I got
That's
it.
retarded. Do you not see this?
It's running over this slide.
I know. Boy, if you make it go on a freaking loop-de-loop. That's so good.
Wait. How does it stay like this? How does it stay like? Oh my gosh.
So
How
yeah.
does it stay
So
like that? Upside down
there's
like
the
that?
slime. Okay, so
So
I wrapped the galaxy
excuse me,
slime
Lisa,
back in here. So
Excuse me. Okay, I was just trying to do this. Okay. What's next?
Okay, so I was gonna go to sleep in this because oh my god.
Just go sleep in your onesie. Oh, this is your onesie.
And I have another one.
Oh.
But it has the footsies. But I don't.
Yay.
Now steer.
I gotta get off of me.
Okay, so I'm so mad. I'm so mad.
Okay, there we go. Got off. Look at the slime. Oops.
Oh. Okay.
There we go. Gotta put it in a good position.
Oh. She's taking a bath.
I'm gonna put my pajamas on right now.
Okay, then go.
I don't know where they are. Probably not there. Oh. It's stuck on my phone.
It popped on the camera.
Yeah, right on the camera.
Like right on the. It's like you guys went into a bubble.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you guys
Or the bubble
stay
just,
through this
like-
whole video because it's really special to us that you subscribe.
And like our videos. And is this the end of the video?
Yep.
No. She says it's the end of the video.
No, wait! Don't end the video. I
yeah.
thought you said, "Are you gonna post the video?"
Oh. Why wouldn't I? We were doing this for fun.
No.
Oh.
I mean, yes. I mean, no. I mean,
Okay.
no.
I'm not posting this video. Guys.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Look. Okay. So, oh my god.
Like if you guys are seeing this video, you obviously saw it.
The stuff in garbage. There's another garbage.
Okay.
Okay. So
We have to clean my room.
well, it's half.
Well, why am I
Wait,
happy?
it's like done. Do you guys want to see? So
No, please don't show them.
I got it. Oh my god.
Please
So
don't show them my room. It's messy. Please don't show me my room. It's messy. It's messy. It's messy.
so
I was
yeah.
playing a game that you don't need Robux to play, but I am going to. You see, just put the phone upside down. Wrong way.
Sorry, for.
Okay, it didn't
so
really matter, but
now this is sticking to me. Oh wow.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna change my game that actually costs Robux to play, like Alone welcome to Bloxburg. Oh, I'm mad.
We
I'm,
love Welcome to Bloxburg.
currently I'm building a mansion because I'm a beast.
Yeah, beast.
Yeah.
Beast.
She's not a beast. Yeah.
I'm not a beast.
You literally
Okay,
had
so-
to admit that.
So yeah, I got all the wrapping paper here on the side right here.
I'm probably gonna give away a code with Robux. A code for Robux.
Okay, so you guys,
Wait,
I'm about to show you what we're going to use to buy all the stuff tomorrow, and we're going to take you on the adventure tomorrow. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. Where'd it go?
Yesterday,
Oh.
we visited our grandma's house and we saw our relatives because we didn't get to see them around Christmas time, and they gave us the presents they were supposed to
So-
give us, and we both got Visa cards. And
Visa.
if we're going to Walmart,
So-
I still got my Walmart
We got
card,
a
which
McDonald's card
is yeah.
for how much? I don't
Wait,
know how
wait,
much.
wait.
Then we got
Oh look, you just
Oh,
look how you just put it.
oh.
How would you just do
Then
that?
we got
Let me show you guys what she did. How would she do that?
then we got
By
this
accident,
card. It's $25, so we're about to.
Yeah, and I got a
Look
Walmart
at
card.
that.
So if we're going to Walmart, I have $50 to spend on both my cards.
And
That's
I
good.
have yeah,
Yeah.
true that.
So in the next video, which is we're probably gonna do the next video tomorrow. Yeah, and
No,
we're gonna we're gonna probably post 2 videos tomorrow
Yeah.
if we're going to store tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to.
And we're gonna show you guys my slime.
Yeah,
which
but
we
I'm putting you guys some gallon glue and then.
Yeah, and we didn't get to show you my slime in this video.
Oh,
Yeah.
we
yeah.
not going to show. I'll show them now.
Oh no.
Okay, so.
Bye guys. I hope you have a
No!
good. Well, I'm ending the video regardless, and so guys,
wait, no.
we are going to
We're going to show you his slime in the video right after this today.
yeah.
So-
No. We're gonna show you my slime probably today. No.
Today.
No, tomorrow.
No,
Tomorrow morning.
today.
So how about tomorrow morning?
No, today.
Tomorrow morning.
Today.
Tomorrow morning.
Today.
Tomorrow morning.
Today.
Tomorrow morning. Bye guys. I hope you have a great time watching this video. Well, I hope you had a great time. And bye.